Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I've been working on this for a couple of weeks after I made a video on doing nodes. So if you select those two nodes and you got your alignment, you can align them vertically, align them. But, you have to go select the nodes. You have to go up here. There's another click. And then if it's not on vertical, you have to pick the other ones off to align them. Well, you can do it with the normal TBRL. And what that does is we want these to the top. I'm going to hit T. I'm going to go down here and we want it B and puts them on the bottom. If you go here and you L puts them to the left and select them both and hit R. So it really works with, and this is the same scenario. If you pick this one first, shift select that one and hit L, it moved it to the left, this one. If you pick this one first, shift select that one and hit L, it moved the top one. So it's the first one you pick is going to be the one that's going to be like your stationary one. So if we pick with the shape tool, if we pick this one first and then shift select that one and hit T, it's going to take it to the top. If we shift select this one first, or select that one, shift select this one and hit B, it'll put it to the bottom. So instead of going up here, now aligning the nodes is a lot better in some cases, because some things just don't work when you're doing this. Like if you go here and select R, it moved it to the right. But if you select this and go L, it doesn't really do anything because you've selected both of them. Now, if you select this one first and then that one and hit L, it still didn't work. So if you hit this one and then this, select that one, shift select that one, and then hit R, for some reason it turned into a curve. Select that one, and hit R. And why is that a curve? Let's select these two and right click, turn them into a line. So aligning nodes up here is pretty cool. And I've been trying to work on a macro, but I can't get a macro to work or doing anything, even with a hotkey. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.